Hey guys, so welcome back again. So we want to make our flawless buttercream. An it's actually a hydrating buttercream. Is like a cream, is like a butter, but it enters the skin immediately. It's not oily, and this is actually a brightening cream. So I just want to show you guys the process, carry you along to see how I make this buttercream. Is so lovely, like you're going to love the texture. So just watch the video to the end, and do not forget, if you want to learn how to make all these products, you want to learn how to make skincare product from scratch, yes, I am available for you. Just send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up there on the screen. And we also have online classes, so you can just go to our website that you can see on the screen, or you go to our description box under this video you're watching. You're going to see a link that will link you up to our website, our WhatsApp, so you can just contact us and let's start. Contact us, let's talk. Okay, so just watch the video. So here's our butter cream. We are done. You can see how silky, how lush, how creamy it is. Very, very creamy. So this will be available on sales. This butter cream contains a whole lot of ingredients, brightening active, and it contains vitamin C, and above all, it can be used for face and body. This is hydrating. It does not leave your face or your skin looking too oily. Okay, everything is just normal. So I hope you enjoy the process.